Do you want to register for the UTME examination? Do you want to know the subject combination to enter for the courses you have chosen to study in the university? All you need to do is just to pay attention to this video till the end, because I'm going to be telling you all the subject combination for each courses that is offered in Nigerian universities. And this is Radical Science. If today is the first time of visiting my channel, all I want you to do is to hit the subscription button to enable you watch our videos anytime we post. For those who are planning to register for the Unified Tertiary Matriculation Exam, as a student, the JAMB subject combination is very important because it determines your eligibility for the admission into the desired course and the university. If you choose the wrong JAMB subject combination, you may not be able to apply for the course or be qualified for admission. Therefore, choosing the right subject for JAMB combination is very important in registering your UTME. UTME stands for Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination. The UTME is the exam itself, while JAMB is the body that sets and oversees the UTME exam. Please don't forget. Before you choose the subject combination for your JAMB, first of all, you must know the course you want to study and also know the university you want to attend. And again, you must know the university's requirement and also the O-level requirement, which is your either your WAEC, NECO, or any equivalent certificate that guarantees you into those universities. Because most universities, they have different criteria, they have different requirements that enables them to give you admission into their university. So let's quickly look at some of the courses and their JAMB subject combination. Now let's begin with medicine and surgery. For medicine and surgery, use of English, biology, physics, and chemistry. For law, English, literature, CRS, and government. For nursing, use of English, biology, chemistry, and physics. Microbiology, use of English, biology, and physics. Theater arts, literature, English, biology, economics, etc. Computer science / computer engineering, use of English, mathematics, physics, and chemistry. Pharmacy, use of English, biology, physics, and chemistry. Political science, use of English, government, history, or any other two art subjects. Mass communication, use of English, any three art subjects can be combined. History and international studies, use of English, history or government, and any other two subjects from arts. Anthropology, use of English, any of these three subjects: history, CRS or IRK, geography, economics, and literature in English, including French. Criminology and security, English, economics, government, and you can choose any one of the following: history, geography, literature in English, French, IRK, or Hausa. Linguistic, English, two relevant art subjects, and any other subjects. Music, use of English, music, one other art subject, plus any other subject. Philosophy, use of English and any other three subjects. Business management, use of English, mathematics, economics, and one other subject. Medical laboratory, use of English, biology, chemistry and physics. Engineering, use of English, physics, maths and chemistry. Physiotherapy, use of English, biology, physics and chemistry. If the course you are registering for is not listed here, kindly drop the name of the course in the comment section. I promise I will give you the JAMB subject combination for the course. Thank you very much and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe.